everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a collective haul, as I've got a couple of bits from like different shops that I couldn't do as a full shop haul, so I thought I'd put them into a collective haul. Some stuff is actually from my birthday that I got a bit later because obviously my birthday was in COVID, in lockdown, so my brother and his wife, so my sister-in-law, got me some clothes for my birthday and they managed to get them to me a little bit later, which is absolutely fine, so I'm going to show them you today too. If this is the first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I do hope you enjoy, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And let's just get straight into the video. So I have 3 things from Pretty Little Thing, which my brother and his wife got me. I have 3 things from Boohoo, and I have 1 thing from an Instagram shop, which I will tag them down below because it's absolutely amazing. So I'm going to start with the things that I got for my birthday technically. The first thing, half of this stuff, well in fact all of it's practically been worn because obviously I've collected it over time. But this is the first thing, so it's just this little bandeau top and it does say Pretty Little Thing on it. This is such a cute top. Summer has been here, obviously it's been quite warm. This has come in so handy. I'm literally obsessed with these type of tops. Sounds really bad, but at the minute I hate wearing bras. I'd rather not wear a bra. So these type of tops you can't wear a bra with, which is even better. And I honestly don't care if I get stiff nip anymore. Everyone's got nipples, why should it matter? But yeah, I absolutely love this. I will try these things on for you because they are all clothes, so you can see what they look like. I'm assuming most of these are still on the website because they're all pretty new. So yeah, this is really nice. I absolutely love it. The material's really nice too. And it's really funny because I was saying in one of my videos that I didn't actually have any like grey tops. It's just really weird. The next thing is this cropped hoodie from, oh my god, from Pretty Little Thing. We'll just show it like this. So it's just this cropped hoodie and it says Pretty Little Thing down the sleeves. It's just black and it's got a hood. I've tried this on, it fits perfectly, but I cannot put the hood up because then it rises up against my boobs. But this with like a little Calvin Klein bra underneath will look super duper cute. I love these type of hoodies. I think they are really nice. Oh, this is in a small, I'm assuming. Yeah, this is in an 8. Which is a small. This is also in an 8. I will show you these on, but I just love. I'm just gonna have to take out the hanger. It's winding me up. I love these type of hoodies. I just think they go with anything. Like you could wear these with jeans or joggers, and they are so comfy. And if you're just feeling a little bit too hot, you've got your belly on show, so it's even better. And then the final thing that they got me, which it's not really me, but I'm starting to love things like this, which is weird. I've all of a sudden just been obsessed with pink ever since I moved house. So they got me this. Now how stunning is this? It's just this bodysuit and it's got ruffled sleeves. I've tried all these on, by the way. And you can wear them like up. You'll see better in the drawing. You can wear them up or you can wear them down. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. When I saw it, I actually fell in love with it. I'm not usually one to wear pink stuff, but oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. There's just something about it because it's so plain, but it's really pretty and you can dress it up or you can dress it down. It's just gorgeous. And this is also in a size 8. I do have a 10 bottom. My bottoms are a 10, but bodysuits fit me absolutely fine because they are more like thongy kind of anyway, so they just practically go up your arse. So the next 3 things are actually from Boohoo Man. Now I got 3 of the same. These were supposed to be £22 each and they were actually down to 11, so why not get 3? So obviously I don't really need to explain all 3, but I'm going to show you anyway all 3 on because oh, they are beautiful. So I've hung them up, but they are a set. Boohoo Man do women's stuff to like match the men's. It's a bit strange, but I found them on Boohoo Man because I was looking for my boyfriend and I bumped into these and got them for myself. So it's this little set, £11 for a set, and the joggers are insane. So this is the top. It's a bandeau top, kind of matches the other one, and on it just says Boo, well, adobe, It just says aboard, and then obviously man because it's man, and then on the back of it, it just says aboard. These look quite big, but honestly they fit perfectly, and the material is lovely. And then the joggers, can we just take a minute to appreciate these joggers? They are insane. So they just look like this, and they have a really, really thick, stretchy waistband, which is the best thing ever because it just sucks you in. So comfy. Anyway, and then it just says aboard man on the front. My mum, I put these on and I went to my mum and she went, are they not supposed to be on the back? I said, no mum, no mum, honestly. And then it just has the little logo there again. But oh my god, I roll them because I like my joggers rolled, but they are cuffed at the bottom. These are insane. They are so thick. For £11 for a set, where joggers are usually like £20 on their own. If they're still in stock, I will leave them linked down below. Pick them up, honestly. Absolutely insane. So I got a grey because you kind of can't really go wrong with a grey set. I then got this mint set. I'm not going to take them off, you'll just see them in the try on. I haven't worn these two next ones yet. I've just worn the grey one. But the mint set is absolutely stunning. I cannot deal with this. It's just gorgeous. I've got like fluff all over it from the other set. Oh my god. Beautiful. And then I got a darker blue, kind of, it's not really dark blue. It's like a turquoisey kind of blue, is it? I don't even know. But yeah, this set, all the exact same quality and price, and they all have the Adobe on the aboard. Stop saying Adobe. I don't even know. Isn't that not like a computer or something? Honestly. Oh, I'm speechless with how awesome these are. I can't deal. When I found them, I was like, I have to get them. They have like, on Boohoo Man, they have tracksuits. Like, you can get short ones with cute little box tops. I don't know why I never knew to go on Boohoo Man. I mean, Boohoo Man anyway for men. I would get stuff for myself from there anyway, like on the actual man's section. But the fact that they have women's, what? And then finally, I got this jacket. Now, I don't know, you will all obviously follow Anastasia most likely. If you follow her on Instagram, you will have seen that she got a jacket from Vintage Club UK, I think it's called, on Instagram. The Eminem Jacket. I've been wanting an Eminem jacket for so long. So I actually messaged them and asked if they had any, and they do. They're still selling like a few Eminem jackets. They get them in stock and stuff. So I will leave their Instagram down below, so you can go and check them out. So I got a jacket from there. I got the yellow one. It's got shoulder pads and everything. This is insane. I will obviously try it on for you, but I have posted, well, I have posted some pictures of these on my Instagram. So head over there to check them out. Oh my god. And the link will be over on my Instagram. Like, their tag will be on the picture if you can't like find them from down below. I can't really show it that well because I don't have much room. But it's got the Eminem people, Eminem, whatever you call them, on the front, and it just says Eminem. And then on the back, it's just got the Eminem logo with the racing team thing. This is in a large. Obviously, they're very vintage, so you don't get them to like, you can't just be like, oh, can I have one in a small, because they might not have them. You just, you know, you wing it. But yeah, this is the best jacket ever. I'm obsessed with it. I'll put it on now for you so you can see it. I'll just shuffle you back a minute so I don't have to try this on. But how sick is this? Like, I've had to roll the sleeves because it is a large and it's massive, so I'm assuming it's a men's large. Oh my god, it's the best thing ever. I literally love it so much. Like, oh, I love jackets like this. My mum and dad actually have some sort of racing jacket, I think, at home, which I might just nick if they'll let me, because it's like, it's not this material, this is more like a denim. The one at home's like a fleece. Oh, it's stunning. Anyway, so yeah, this is the jacket. It's just sick. I'm obsessed. So head over to my Instagram if you want to like follow these. I will leave it like down below anyway, but if you can't find them, head over to my Instagram and find the picture with me wearing this and go and get your own. Oh my god, I can't stop doing TikTok dances. Anyway, so that is the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Smash this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. I will try and leave the links to the Boohoo down below too. Don't forget to click the bell so you are notified when I post, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!